Hello kids, let's learn the colors. Black color, blue color, orange color, dark blue color, yellow color, pink color, green color, gray color, baby pink color, red color, let's learn to write the alphabets from A to Z. Blue color, A is for apple. Forest green color. B for ball. Gray color. C for cat. Orange color. D for dog. Yellow color. E for elephant. Blue color. F for fish. Pink color. G for grapes. Red color. H for horse. Green color. I for ice cream. Dark green color. J for juice. Black color. K is for kite. Orange color. L for lemon. Blue color. M is for mango. Violet color. N is for nest. Red color. O is for orange. Dark gray color. P for parrot. Brown color. Q for queen. Dark green color. R for rabbit. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R. Orange color. S for sun. Dark brown color. T is for tiger. Dark pink color. U for umbrella. Red color. V for van. Dark blue color. W. W is for watermelon. Baby pink color. X. X is for xylophone. Dark green color. Y for yak. Red color. Z is for zebra. S T U V W X Y Z. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.